So a few years ago, I built this recipe box for my sister. And it has a bunch of the stripes and the maple and rosewood sides and such. She suggested, why don't you make some more recipe boxes? And I have 3 new boxes that I'm trying to work. So here's one set of a possible new lid. It has, I think, maple in the middle, and then I'm not sure what the reddish white thing is, and then some walnut, and then some redwood, and then some oak, I think. And here is maple, and then that same reddish stuff. Might be redwood, I'm not sure. Then walnut, then definite old growth redwood again, same as the last one, and then oak on the edges. So the last one also had oak on the outside edges. This one has, I'm not sure, in the center, maybe purple heart, then some striped wood, and then some maple, and then some weird stuff, and yeah. And then this one has some more purple heart, I think, and then maple, and then old growth redwood, and then some other weird stuff, and then that same reddish and white swirly wood. And then this one has a bunch of maples and other various reddish stuff. I think some mahogany and some oak and other various bits. So what are your choices? Please leave your selections or ideas in the comments. I may not use them, but we'll see.